Well, good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It is Martin Midlife Misadventure. You know this is an awesome prepping channel and you need to go check them out. And they did a really great video on I was stuck on I-40 for 18 hours. Go check out that video and they're going to share with you their experiences of being stuck on the road for 18 hours, but they were prepared for anything that might come their way. And I'm not saying it wasn't stressful, but they made it through. So, we all need to be prepared for whatever comes our way. In our home, in our car, you never know what's going to happen. And if we're prepared, we're not going to be stressing out as much as we could. And we will be fine and we'll make it through. So please go check out this great channel and what happened to them for 18 hours stuck in the snow on I-40. Now let's go see what Grandma's been doing prepping her video. Well, as you can see, I didn't really buy that much this week because I didn't really need that much. And most of what you're going to see are things I'm just stocking up to put in the pantry. I bought my husband his favorite Kool-Aid, and it's sugar-free. And I was stocking up on a little Miracle Whip also. We stocked up on the soap for laundry, and this particular one was really good. It had about 40 more loads of wash it would do for the same price as the next one down. So always check your prices and what they're doing and sales. I got some beef consomme for an outing we're doing with the family, and I stocked up another can of corned beef hash because we used the one we had. I got a couple new things this week, not because I needed them, but just to try something new out, and they were a little on the pricey side. But because I've been watching how I've been spending my money, I thought I deserved something new and different. So we got the black truffle and the garlic parmesan with basil, and I don't know how they're going to taste, but we're going to give them a try. Now this one I know very well, the chicken fried rice. This is a great product. It cost about a little under $5 for two. Can't beat that. It's cheaper than going out to a restaurant or any other place. That's about $2.50 a piece. And on top of that, I had a little bit of, I got to spend for some snow peas to go in it because it didn't come with snow peas. And I didn't use that much, maybe 30 cents worth with each of my bowls. But oh my gosh, that was so good. You have 9 ounces and there's 6 bags in there, and every one of them is wonderful. The brawny paper towels I really didn't need, but I like to stay stocked up on paper goods because of when we were in the middle of COVID. Couldn't get paper products. They had the Reynolds wrap today and the sandwich bags and the storage bags all on special, $1 off, so I stocked up. My husband's favorite cookies, chocolate chip. Got them for him. So we're just moving right along, trying to make sure our pantry is full at all times. If you keep yourself stocked up and ahead, you're never going to have to worry and panic. Like I said, these storage bags were $1 off, and that's why I stocked up. I couldn't believe they had bologna. It's been another couple, 3 or 4 weeks since they had all beef bologna, so I stocked up. I got this pasta just to get some ahead. I don't really buy a lot. If it had been on special, I probably would have bought 2 or 3, but I just like to stay to a certain level where there's always enough extra food in the house. For if something does bad happen, we can make it for 3 or 4 months, except for milk and bread. So I think I did pretty good. I got the bill under budget, and that always makes me happy. My budget is $150 a week. Some weeks I don't even buy at all. This is the last of what I bought. I did buy a 6-pack of Diet Dr. Pepper. We were totally out of rice, so I had to buy rice. I don't know how I let myself get out of rice, but I did. But we've been eating a lot of rice lately. Can't ask for a cheaper meal. It did go up in price about $1 a bag. But you cannot get yourself upset about the cost of things. You have to buy it, you have to buy it. And it's not going to get better. So I try to look at, there's a lot of stuff that's went up that I haven't even bought in a year. And so when I'm going to start buying it again, I'm going to be in shock. Like I said, everything's going up. Last week I didn't buy any groceries, as you saw. So this week I did pretty good considering I didn't buy anything last week. And most of the things I bought really were for still long-term storage. They weren't things I really needed. My total came to $113. The reason why there's 2 tickets, because I forgot to buy the fried rice. I couldn't believe I forgot it. So I had to go back in and grab it. Not that we didn't have some at home, but I don't like to run out of some things that we eat a lot of. And you can't beat the price. For under $15, I have 3 separate meals for me and my husband, because we eat 2 at a time, so it's not bad. So let me know what you thought about my shopping trip this week. I was proud of myself to try to keep this. We know we spend no more than $600 a month, and usually we're spending really about $400 to $500 a month for food. So it's not even as bad as I have. But you got to put yourself on a certain amount of money that you're willing to spend. Occasionally I'll go over a little bit. And don't forget, I also do a shopping thing with the Friday 5 prepping challenge too. And that's buying something for your pantry for $5 or less. And I also do that with Sassy Gal prepping. And that's another awesome channel.